Hello friends, everything I'm going to share today comes from the experience of technicians working in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to find a solution. To begin with, in the workshop, this F04 error in Whirlpool ovens is almost always related to a communication failure between the control panel and the electronic board. The interesting part is that the oven doesn't always stop working immediately, but it starts behaving strangely as if the buttons are not responding properly or the system suddenly freezes until the code appears on the display. In fact, on several occasions, we've had customers describing very similar situations. A customer named Mike told us something like, "The oven was working normally and suddenly the panel went crazy and F04 appeared," while another customer, Sarah, mentioned that the unit would sometimes respond and other times not, as if the keypad had a mind of its own. This is something we already recognize in the workshop because it usually points to a signal issue between components. Now, getting into the technical side, the most common cause behind this fault is usually the touch panel or keypad. Many times a button gets internally stuck or the membrane circuit starts failing due to wear, moisture, or heat buildup in the kitchen. One of the workshop technicians always says it very clearly. When the F04 appears intermittently, the keypad is almost always sending incorrect signals, and that causes the main board to interpret an error and shut the system down for safety. Continuing with the diagnosis, we've also seen cases where the issue is not in the panel, but in the control board itself. In those situations, communication between the main board and the keypad is interrupted due to an internal electronic failure. In some Whirlpool models, there has even been mention of excessive sensitivity in system communication, which can trigger the error without any visible physical damage. In other words, everything may look fine on the outside, but internally the signal is not being transmitted correctly. As we continue with inspections in the workshop, the first thing we always do is a power reset, disconnecting the oven for a few minutes to see if the error clears. Sometimes that only works temporarily, like a breather for the system, but if the F04 comes back, we know we need to dig deeper. In those cases, the keypad wiring and the condition of the touchpad are checked because that is often where the root of the problem lies. On the other hand, there are customers like John who report that the oven started with minor glitches and then the error became constant until it completely locked the control panel. That kind of behavior is typical when the issue worsens over time, and that's exactly when proper diagnosis becomes even more important because it's no longer just a simple reset situation.